Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate Google Pay in Stripe. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Stripe, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Activating your Google Pay in Stripe is a straightforward process that allows customers to complete purchases quickly without having to manually enter payment or shipping information. This reduces friction in the checkout process, leading to faster transactions and higher conversion rates. Now, depending on how you set up your Stripe account, I want you to hover to the gear icon on the upper right corner, click that, and go to the payment section. And from here, I want you to click on the payment methods tab, wherein we're going to enable Google Pay. It's just under the wallet section. We have a separate video on how to activate or enable Apple Pay that you might want to check in our channel. But now in this video, we're going to enable Google Pay. You see, there's going to be an arrow button here, wherein these are some information about Google Pay. It allows customers to make payments in your app or website using any credit or debit card saved into their Google account, including those from Google Play, YouTube, Chrome, or an Android device. All they have to do is to click this turn on button here, and voila, you have already activated the Google Pay in your Stripe account. If you wanted to turn off Google Pay, it's very easy. All I have to do is click this button. Or if you want to configure domains, you might want to click this button right here, wherein you can simply add a new domain if you wanted, all right? You can add and manage your domains where payment methods and elements are used. Apple Pay, Google Pay has that. I want you to click on the add a new domain if you wanted. Make sure that your domain is working. All right, for example, I'm going to put in dplefs Google.pay, for example, like that. Save and continue, and just follow along. All right. Now, if in case you encounter any problems activating your Google Pay, kind of like the website is down or you're having like an issue, you might want to click on the help button here on the upper right corner. Click on support center. Click the view support articles, and there should be an option for the contact support. You can type in your question here to see if there are any related documents to help you out, or simply contact the support agent. Otherwise, if you don't have any answers from both, click the contact sales, send them an email, and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix your problem activating Google Pay on your Stripe account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.